and welcome to my old office. Today we're going to be turning my office into my new guest bedroom. I have been wanting to do this forever and I'm finally getting to do it. So this has been my office space for about 3 years. It used to be my daughter's room. When she moved out, I turned it into an office. But I was like, this room has like tall ceilings and a prettier window, so I need to turn this into a guest bedroom because it would be so much prettier as a guest bedroom than an office. So I've moved the office to the guest bedroom, and I would have recorded that. However, the hallway in between these two rooms is about this long, and there's just nowhere to like place the camera. Like there's just no way. So I've already moved that in there, and I'll show you that. My husband painted the walls in there and just gave it a fresh coat of paint. And then me and my friend Lisa, we moved all the stuff in there. And then this room, me and my friend Lisa just moved all the furniture out. My husband does not know we've moved the furniture. Me and her literally moved to hide a bed. I don't know how we did it, but we did it. Anyway, I might be half dead over it, but we did it. And so we've moved all the furniture to the other room, and my husband is going to paint the walls in here. Now I've chosen a beautiful green color for my accent wall, which is right here, which is gray right now. I've chosen a beautiful green color, and I am so excited to get this done. And the other walls will be Revere Pewter. If you know me or know anything about me, that is my color. It's all through my house. I love it. It is the best neutral color that you can find. If you get it Sherwin-Williams, it's called Agreeable Gray. So it's like the dupe for Revere Pewter if you can't find Revere Pewter. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and give all the walls in here a really good dusting and clean the window and the blinds really quickly to get it ready for him to paint. All right, y'all, let's get started. So here's my new office space. I still need to hang my picture up on the wall, but Matt gave it a fresh coat of paint and it looks so good. So I brought the hide-a-bed in, and yeah, I don't have it all together yet, but this is just a sneak peek. The only thing I don't really care about is my desk is massive, which I didn't realize in the other room because the ceilings are so tall. So it's taken up a lot of my window here. So I don't really like that, but it just kind of is what it is. I got all my electronics on a shelf here. And then I'll probably have my husband, I don't know if I'll have him lower that TV or not, but anyway, this is it. And yeah, whenever I get it all put together, I'll show y'all again, but this is it for right now. I'm actually really liking it. It's more of an office feel in here. This is also where my grandkids come to play, is what this room will be also. So it has plenty of floor space for them to play. Okay, we are finally to the cleaning up part. It seems like I've been doing a lot of talking and everything before we finally got to this part, but we are finally here. And as I said before, I'm just giving the walls a really good dusting and just making sure that they are free of any cobwebs, dust, or debris, so that the paint will go on really pretty and just get it all ready to go. My husband is going to start painting the room. He does all the painting. I rarely ever paint anything in the house. He is so good at it. Back years and years ago, he used to be in construction, so he's very good at painting. And it's so funny because I had told y'all in a video before that he does have Parkinson's, and there are some things that he has trouble doing, like if he tries to bring me a cup of coffee, I mean, he'll make it, but he's probably sloshed it a couple times. But it is the weirdest thing ever. He can paint with no issues. It is so crazy. When he goes to trim, it is like laser point. It is the weirdest thing. We're always so mystified by how he can do that, but he can't do other things like keep peas on a fork, or he can't, like, I mean, he can bring me the cup of coffee, but you know, it doesn't work out well. So it's always strange to watch how Parkinson's affects someone, but he does such a good job at painting, and he is so fast, and so I really appreciate all of his hard work during this video. As I stated earlier before, I use Revere pewter all over my house. It's just my color. I love it. And I found this green, and I cannot remember the name of it to save my life. I'm trying to find the paint sample, but I will put the name of it in the description box down below as soon as I find the name of it. But this green is so beautiful. It dried so pretty, and it has almost a gray undertone to it. I do not know how to explain it, but it is the most calming, beautiful color. So I will put both of those colors down in the description box in case you're interested. It is finally time to set up this room and decorate it, and I'm so excited about it. You know, I've had my color swatches, and I've had my duvet and my pillow covers and all those things, you know, trying to make sure everything goes together. But to watch it all come together and come to life is so much fun to me. I love to do that. And I just want to thank my friend Lisa for being here and helping me today. She helped me so much today. We moved all that furniture, and while my husband was gone, we just went ahead and jumped in and got it done. So all he would have to do is paint so we could get on with it. But we did 2 full rooms today, painting and setting up. So thank you so much, Lisa. Love you so much, girl. I was showing my husband measuring where the bed goes, because me and my friend Lisa was cracking up because he has a little bit of OCD. As you can tell, he thinks that everything has to be like completely centered, and so we were standing over there cracking up watching him. And I don't know if you'll see it in a minute, he kind of, you know, he's like inching it over just a little bit, and then he finally just kind of kicks it because he can't get it like completely centered because the room isn't even, you know. Anyway, and so you'll see him like hang a picture crooked here in a minute, just to, like, you know, get back at me because we were laughing at him so much. So we were having just a good time, and it was really funny.
you have made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for hanging out today. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here and so happy that you decided to stop by. Make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and the bell so that you'll get notifications. Y'all give me a thumbs up. That helps my videos get pushed out into the algorithm. Y'all have been giving me so many views lately. I am just so thankful for it. Thank you so much for helping me out with my channel. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and supporting me every week. I really appreciate y'all. I got this duvet cover at Ikea, and I absolutely love Ikea for duvet covers. I will link it in the description box down below in case you're interested. It is such a beautiful, kind of a toile pattern. It reminded me of toile, but I just thought it was so pretty up against that green wall. And I also got, you'll see some of the pillow covers that are gray and black striped. I got those at Ikea also. They were on clearance for $3, so I grabbed up 4 of those because I have a couple of those in my living room also. And the picture that's above the bed, I had that in my office and thought it went really well in here, so I just shopped my home and put it over here. And then everything else I already had for my previous guest room, the curtains, everything. I may get a different set of curtains just because I would like to bring some more of that green color in the room, and I'm probably going to find a really pretty throw to put at the end of the bed. As you've probably figured out, we're playing musical pillows to figure out which configuration looks the best. Y'all know me, I have tons of pillow covers because, you know, that's what I do. I love pillow covers. But I thought that the cognac ones would look so pretty, and as I was doing the color scheme, I used the cognac color because I thought it looked so good. But when I put those pillows up there, it was just a little too much. So after rearranging and arranging and doing over and over, I finally remembered that I had another set of pillow covers that has just a stripe of that cognac color in it. So I ended up using those, and I think it was just enough of that color to give it the little touch that I wanted, but not overdone. Y'all, is this not so pretty? Oh my goodness. I just absolutely love it. I just go in here sometimes and look at it because I think it's so pretty. I thought, maybe I should have done this to my master bedroom, but I do love the navy in my master, so I probably will just keep that. But man, I love this. Thank y'all so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments what you think, if you think I should add or take something away, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.